This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift with a controller. First, ensure your controller is compatible, then connect it to your mobile device using Bluetooth. Once connected, launch Wild Rift and head straight into the game's settings. Look for the dedicated Controller tab, which is your gateway to a personalized gaming experience. This initial setup takes only a few moments, getting you ready for action. Now that your controller is connected, it is time to personalize your controls. Within the controller settings, you can assign specific actions like abilities, basic attacks, and movement to your preferred buttons. Don't forget to fine-tune the sensitivity for both your joysticks and camera movement to match your playstyle. Once you are satisfied, save your custom control scheme so it is ready every time you play. With your controls set, it is time to jump into the action. Focus on practicing key mechanics like last-hitting minions for gold and expertly dodging enemy skill shots. Use the right joystick for precise camera adjustments, especially crucial during intense team fights to keep track of all 5 opponents. Experiment with various champions. You will find that some feel more natural with a controller than others. To truly elevate your controller gameplay, consider a controller featuring programmable back paddles. These can provide quick access to extra commands. Always keep an eye out for game updates, as developers frequently enhance controller support and add new features. Finally, dedicate some time to practicing in custom games. This allows you to master new configurations and refine your skills without the pressure of ranked matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.